Melt away belly fat with this simple morning trick. Are you absolutely fed up with that stubborn belly fat, the kind that seems immune to every healthy choice you make, clinging on relentlessly despite your diligent efforts with salads and countless miles logged on the treadmill? You are far from alone in this frustrating battle. Many individuals find themselves grappling with this persistent layer of fat around their midsection, often feeling disheartened when their hard work doesn't yield the desired results. But what if there was a refreshing approach, a simple, scientifically underpinned morning routine that could potentially unlock your body's fat-burning capabilities, significantly boost your metabolism, and essentially program your system to stay in a fat-burning mode throughout the entire day? And the most appealing part? This routine requires a minimal time commitment, just a few precious minutes each morning, and doesn't demand any extreme workout regimens or restrictive, unsustainable starvation diets. Does this sound like the answer you've been searching for? Let's delve deeper into this intriguing morning trick and explore how it might be the key to finally melting away that unwanted belly fat. Before we jump into the specifics of this morning routine, it's crucial to understand why belly fat, in particular, can be so incredibly resistant to traditional weight loss methods. It's not merely a matter of consuming too many calories and not burning enough. The accumulation of fat around our abdomen is often intricately linked to a complex interplay of various hormones and underlying metabolic factors. One significant player in this scenario is cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. When we experience chronic stress, our bodies tend to produce elevated levels of cortisol, which, unfortunately, can actively promote the storage of fat, and it seems to have a particular affinity for the abdominal region. Furthermore, a sluggish or inefficient metabolism can significantly hinder our ability to burn calories effectively, making it much easier for fat to accumulate and much harder to shed. Another critical factor to consider is insulin resistance. This condition arises when our body's cells struggle to respond effectively to insulin, a hormone that plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels. When insulin isn't working as it should, it can lead to increased fat storage, particularly around the waistline. And let's not overlook the often silent yet powerful role of inflammation within the body. Chronic low-grade inflammation can contribute to weight gain and create a metabolic environment that makes it significantly more challenging to lose fat. This simple morning trick we're about to explore is designed to address these fundamental root causes of stubborn belly fat, offering a more holistic and potentially more effective approach to tackling this common concern. This potent morning routine is comprised of 3 straightforward yet powerful steps, each targeting specific physiological mechanisms to encourage fat loss and boost metabolism. Let's break down each step in detail to understand its individual contribution and how they work synergistically to achieve the desired outcome. Step 1 of this transformative morning routine involves a seemingly simple act: embracing the morning sun. Yes, you read that correctly. As soon as you wake up, before you reach for your phone or engage in any other activity, make a conscious effort to step outside and soak up approximately 10 to 15 minutes of natural morning sunlight. While this might sound like an old wives' tale to some, there is actually a growing body of scientific evidence that supports this practice. For instance, a compelling study published in the esteemed journal PLOS One found a significant association between exposure to morning sunlight, specifically within the time frame of 8 a.m. and 12 p.m., and a lower body mass index, BMI. This suggests a direct link between this simple daily habit and a healthier weight. But what is it about morning sunlight that makes it so beneficial for fat loss, particularly in the stubborn belly area? The key lies in the specific type of light present in the morning sun, blue light. This blue light interacts with a particular type of fat tissue located just beneath our skin, known as subcutaneous white adipose tissue, WAT. This is often the very type of fat that contributes to that persistent belly bulge that many find so frustrating. But how exactly does this interaction between morning sunlight and subcutaneous white adipose tissue lead to fat loss? The blue light from the early morning sun has the remarkable ability to stimulate the lipids or fat molecules within these fat cells. This stimulation triggers a process known as lipolysis, which essentially means the breakdown of fat. During lipolysis, the fat cells begin to shrink and release their contents, making them available to be used as energy by the body. This direct action on fat cells, particularly in the subcutaneous layer, can contribute to a reduction in overall body fat, including that stubborn belly fat. Furthermore, exposure to morning sunlight plays a crucial role in regulating our body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm. This internal biological clock governs a wide range of physiological processes, including our metabolism and hormonal balance. A well-regulated circadian rhythm is absolutely essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and ensuring optimal hormonal function, both of which are intrinsically linked to effective weight management. In fact, research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism has demonstrated that disruptions in our circadian rhythm can lead to metabolic dysfunction and an increased tendency for the body to store fat. By consistently exposing ourselves to morning sunlight, we are essentially helping to synchronize our internal clock, promoting a healthier metabolic profile and supporting our body's natural fat-burning mechanisms. Following your brief period of morning sun exposure, the second step in this potent routine is to ignite your body's fat-burning engine with a quick, invigorating workout. This doesn't necessitate a grueling hour-long session at the gym or any complicated equipment. The goal here is simply to engage your muscles and further boost your metabolism with a short burst of activity, lasting just 5 to 10 minutes. Simple yet effective exercises such as jumping jacks, squats, or push-ups can work wonders in achieving this. Aim for completing 2 to 3 rounds of these exercises, performing each exercise for a set duration or number of repetitions. If you're not feeling up to those particular exercises, even a simple 5-minute session of standing jogging in place can make a significant difference in activating your muscles and elevating your heart rate. So, why is this short burst of exercise so crucial in conjunction with the morning sunlight exposure? The morning sunlight, as we discussed, helps to prime your fat cells for action, essentially making them more receptive to being broken down. This brief workout then serves to help your body effectively utilize those mobilized fat stores as a source of energy. This combination creates a powerful synergistic effect, maximizing the amount of fat that your body burns. Furthermore, exercise, even in these short bursts, has been shown to increase insulin sensitivity. This means that your body becomes more efficient at using insulin, which in turn helps to regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the likelihood of excess glucose being stored as fat. Even relatively short periods of physical activity can have a surprisingly significant impact on your overall metabolic health. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology demonstrated that short, high-intensity interval training (HIIT) workouts can be just as effective, and in some cases even more effective, than longer, moderate-intensity workouts when it comes to improving metabolic health markers. This highlights the power of even brief bouts of exercise in contributing to fat loss and overall well-being. The third and final step in this simple yet effective morning routine is to sip on a specially prepared fat-burning elixir. This concoction is designed to further support your body's fat-burning processes and keep your metabolism humming throughout the day. To prepare this elixir, you will need a cup of warm water, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, the juice of half a lemon, and a small pinch of black pepper. Simply combine all of these ingredients in your cup of warm water, mix them thoroughly, and aim to drink this elixir within 5 to 10 minutes of preparing it. Let's delve into the scientific rationale behind each of these powerful ingredients and understand how they contribute to fat loss and metabolic health. Apple cider vinegar is a well-known natural remedy that contains acetic acid. Research has shown that acetic acid can play a role in improving insulin sensitivity, which, as we discussed earlier, is crucial for preventing fat storage. Additionally, studies have indicated that apple cider vinegar can directly promote fat burning. For example, a study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that daily consumption of apple cider vinegar led to significant reductions in belly fat in a group of obese Japanese subjects. Turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice, contains a potent compound called curcumin. Curcumin is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation, as we noted earlier, can be a significant hindrance to weight loss, so reducing inflammation within the body is a crucial step in supporting fat loss efforts. Ginger, another ingredient in this elixir, also possesses significant anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown to have a positive impact on boosting metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that ginger extract helped to reduce body weight and improve various metabolic parameters in animal models. Lemon juice provides a valuable dose of vitamin C, which is not only an essential nutrient for overall health but also plays a crucial role in fat metabolism. Additionally, lemon juice can aid in digestion, which is important for nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Finally, the small pinch of black pepper might seem insignificant, but it plays a vital role in enhancing the absorption of curcumin from turmeric. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to significantly increase the bioavailability of curcumin, maximizing its beneficial effects within the body. Additionally, lemon juice can aid in digestion, which is important for nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Finally, the small pinch of black pepper might seem insignificant, but it plays a vital role in enhancing the absorption of curcumin from turmeric. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to significantly increase the bioavailability of curcumin, maximizing its beneficial effects within the body. After you have consumed your fat-burning elixir, it's recommended to wait for approximately 1 hour before eating your first meal of the day, which will be your breakfast. When you do break your fast, it's highly advisable to aim for a breakfast that is rich in protein. Protein is known for its ability to promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help to reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. When you do break your fast, it's highly advisable to aim for a breakfast that is rich in protein. Protein is known for its ability to promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help to reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Furthermore, protein has a higher thermic effect of food compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning that your body burns more calories digesting protein. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increasing protein intake led to greater weight loss and fat loss in individuals following a weight loss diet. It is important to understand that this morning trick is not a magical solution that will yield dramatic results overnight. The true key to success with this routine, as with any health-related endeavor, is consistency. While you might start to notice subtle changes within the first 7 to 10 days of consistently following this routine, the more significant and lasting results will come with continued adherence over time. The true key to success with this routine, as with any health-related endeavor, is consistency. While you might start to notice subtle changes within the first 7 to 10 days of consistently following this routine, the more significant and lasting results will come with continued adherence over time. To further enhance the effectiveness of this morning trick, it is highly recommended to combine it with a healthy and balanced diet that is rich in whole foods, lean protein, fruits, and vegetables. When you integrate this morning routine into a broader, healthy lifestyle, you will likely see even more significant and sustainable results in your journey to melt away belly fat and improve your overall health and well-being. This morning trick should be viewed as a powerful tool in your arsenal against stubborn belly fat. By specifically targeting the underlying root causes of fat accumulation, such as hormonal imbalances, sluggish metabolism, insulin resistance, and inflammation, and by actively promoting a healthy metabolic environment, you can pave the way for sustainable weight loss and significant improvements in your overall health. By specifically targeting the underlying root causes of fat accumulation, such as hormonal imbalances, sluggish metabolism, insulin resistance, and inflammation, and by actively promoting a healthy metabolic environment, you can pave the way for sustainable weight loss and significant improvements in your overall health. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a leaner, healthier you? Consider starting this simple yet effective morning routine tomorrow. Embrace the energizing morning sun, get your body moving with a short burst of activity, and sip on that potent fat-burning tea. You might be pleasantly surprised by the positive change